Welcome back to today's Explainer. If you're focused on learning how specialized companies are literally building the infrastructure of tomorrow, well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to break down the massive evolution of a really niche maritime operator, Knowledge Marine and Engineering Works Ltd, or just KMEW for short. We'll explore how this company is transforming from a small-scale ship repairer right into a dominant force in India's port infrastructure. Let's just jump right in. Okay, let's dive into this with a question that most people honestly never stop to think about. When we talk about global trade, we picture giant cargo ships in busy ports. But who actually maintains the ocean's highways, right? How do those colossal ships get from the deep sea all the way right up to the dock without getting stuck? Well, the answer brings us right to the core of what KMEW does. Think of them as the highway maintenance crew for the ocean. It's a simple idea, but it is absolutely critical to the global supply chain. They're a specialized engineering firm responsible for clearing the silt and sand from the seafloor so that large ships simply don't get stranded. On top of that, they provide the essential small boats that actively guide those heavy tankers safely into harbors. Without them, the ports would literally just stop functioning. Section 1. The Ocean Highway Crew. When you break down their revenue, you get a crystal clear picture of exactly how KMEW makes its money. It's totally dominated by a massive 91% chunk from dredging and ancillary services, with the remaining 9% coming from shipbuilding and repairing. And this isn't just some localized operation anymore. Their geographic footprint has expanded like crazy, spanning major Indian ports like Mumbai and Paradip, and reaching all the way out to successful international projects in places like Myanmar and Bahrain. But here is the real secret sauce: 40. That represents their fleet of 40 owned marine crafts. Historically, a lot of competitors in this space just rent their vessels. But KMEW operates on an asset ownership model. They own their fleet outright. This is a real game changer for them, and as we'll see in the financials in a minute, owning these crafts is exactly what gives them such incredible pricing power and efficiency. Section 2. Riding the Blue Economy. Now, a great business model is one thing, but to see explosive stock growth, you usually need massive macro tailwinds, and KMEW has those in spades. First off, the stock is deeply tied to the Blue Economy and Make in India themes. Specifically, look at the Sagarmala project. India is aiming to double its port capacity by 2030. To do that, you need dredging. Basically, you need KMEW. Furthermore, for decades, state-owned entities completely monopolized this space, but KMEW's lean execution is disrupting that, allowing them to win really high-stakes tenders. And finally, by opting into the tonnage tax scheme, they've effectively slashed their tax liability to near zero for qualifying shipping income. That's a direct boost straight to the bottom line. Thanks to these catalysts, they're rapidly outgrowing their old footprint. KMEW is actually transitioning from the SME exchange to the main board, which is a huge growth milestone that brings in serious institutional visibility. And moving forward, analysts are already eyeing their potential entry into defense shipbuilding as the next big growth engine. Plus, through all this rapid change, the first-generation promoters have maintained a really solid skin in the game holding of over 53%. Section 3. Explosive fundamental growth. I really want this number to sink in. 1,500 crore rupees. That is the size of their current record order book. It is a staggering amount of confirmed future revenue. A huge chunk of that is a monumental 15-year contract worth about 700 crore rupees, specifically for green tugs. So they aren't just winning business, they're locking in long-term, highly predictable, sustainable business. Now, what's incredibly interesting here is how that order book is translating into rapid scale. If we compare the base year to the December 2025 quarter, they hit 90 crore rupees in sales for that quarter alone. That is an exceptional 56% year-over-year increase. I mean, they are scaling up at a velocity that's incredibly rare for a heavy infrastructure company. And they're doing the whole shebang with really strict financial discipline. Just look at these figures. Over a 5-year period, they've delivered a profit compounded annual growth rate of 61.3%. Their return on equity is 25.8%, and return on capital employed sits at 24.7%. This basically proves management is generating stellar returns on every single rupee invested. Oh, and notice that debt-to-equity ratio at 0.60? Yeah, they're taking on some debt to buy those 40 new ships, but the debt is highly manageable and totally supported by their strong cash flows. The reason those cash flows are so robust really comes down to this one figure, 43%. That represents their industry-leading EBITDA operating margins. Because they own their ships instead of renting them, they keep a massive chunk of their revenue. Going forward, sure, the transition to a modern green fleet might require more capital expenditure, but having a 43% margin on long-term contracts, that provides an amazing safety net for expansion. Section 4. Navigating the technical chart. Right now, KMEW is in what technical analysts call a disciplined digestion phase, especially after a really high-velocity rally. The underlying strength is obvious, though. EPS strength is a great 81. Price strength, or RS rating, is an elite 96, meaning it's consistently outperforming the broader market. Buyer demand is an A, showing really disciplined institutional buying interest. Honestly, the only real drag right now is the group rank sitting at a poor 67, meaning the broader maritime industry group is currently a bit sluggish. But overall, that master score is a solid B. This is a standout performer just waiting for broader sector sentiment to catch up. Technically speaking, the stock is currently trapped within a very well-defined, manageable price corridor as it sheds some speculative excess and builds a base. Section 5. Verdict and disclaimers. So, the crucial point is this. Knowledge Marine and Engineering Works Ltd is no longer just some niche service provider. They are an infrastructure enabler and a bona fide high-growth maritime powerhouse. Backed by that massive 1,500 crore rupee order book and industry-leading 43% margins, management has absolutely proven they can scale while maintaining capital efficiency. Driven by the strong tailwinds of the Blue Economy theme, its robust fundamentals and elite technical momentum make it a really fascinating case study for anyone tracking specialized engineering leaders right now. Before we wrap up, a very quick reminder. This information is for educational purposes only. It's not a direct buy or sell recommendation. Always conduct your own due diligence and consult a financial advisor, because investing carries inherent risks. If you enjoyed this, please follow for more insightful stock analyses. My aim is always to provide valuable perspectives for your own investment journey. Think about it like this. When a country decides to build the future, it's rarely the glamorous companies that make the highest margins. It's the ones quietly clearing the path. So, is KMEW the ultimate quiet giant of the Indian seas? Keep your eyes on that order book. Thank you for watching this video, and for more such interesting videos, subscribe to my channel.